All right, what's up, guys? Here we have a unit rate problem. So first, let's read it. Statement. At a store, 3 bags of peanuts cost $18. So it's already relevant information we can highlight right there. 3 bags of peanuts cost $18. All right. So let's write that. 3 bags for 18 bucks. Determine if each statement has the same unit rate. The same unit rate as the original statement or a different unit rate. Enter next in the box for each statement to indicate same unit rate or different unit rate. So let's first find out how much, what the unit rate for the bags of peanuts is. So remember that a unit rate, it means how much for one, right? How much for one? How much for one? It's not always price. It could be speed. So how far you travel in 1 hour, how long it takes you to travel 1 mile, anything to do with one, because that's what the word unit means. Unit means one. So we're looking for the unit rate of the bag of peanuts, right? And what that means is how much is 1 bag of peanuts? Well, we have 3 for 18, right? You can use this, solve it using ratios. Watch this. So you have 3 bags for $18. And we want to know how much 1 bag is, and we don't know that price, right? So you could use ratios like this. How do you get from 3 to 1? You divide by 3. How do you get, and because it's the same unit rate, you have to divide the bottom number also by 3. So in this case, the question mark becomes $6, right? But you don't have to use a proportion like this. What you could do is this. If we want to find out how much one costs, we want to find the cost of one. What you do is, because we're looking for cost, we take the cost that they give us, which is 18, and we divide by how many we have, which in this case is 3. So we have dollars on top and bags on the bottom. So this is going to be $6 per bag. $6 per bag. All right. Now our job is to see which of these, the jam, the sandwiches, the cups of fruit, or the ham, which of them are also $6. So let's check the first one. In this case, we have a jar of jam for $20 for 4. So we're going to take the $20 and divide by 4. And we get $5. So this is obviously different than $6. So we're going to put an X right here where it says different unit rate. The next one. It says sandwiches are sold for $20 for 3 sandwiches. That's an expensive sandwich. So let's take $20. So let's use a different color. Let's use purple. So we're going to take $20 and divide by 3. So let's do long division. 3 goes into 26 times. You get 18. You get 2 again. Let's add a decimal. Add a 0. 6. We get 18. We get 2 again. It looks like the 2 is repeating. Yeah, the 2 is going to be repeating. So it's going to be, this one is going to cost you $6.66. Is that the same as $6? No. So this one is also different. So far, so good, right? So far, so good. Let's keep going. The next one is a cup of fruit is $54 for 9. So we have 54 divided by 9. I know that's equal to 6. So we finally got one. So this is the same unit rate. And let's check the last one. It's $12 for 2. So we take the $12 and divide by 2. And we get 6 again. And those are our answers. The jam and the sandwiches are different unit rates, but the fruit and the ham is the same unit rate. And that's all it is.